Are you with me now? Said, are you with me?
Alright, so I just wanted to say good morning, guys. Welcome to day 52, I believe. There's just so much going on with this channel that I'm just so proud of. And before I start off this video, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the support you guys have been showing me. Closing in on 300 subscribers, guys. That's amazing. That's mind-blowing. But we gotta go to work now, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
You hate it, just in the crowd. But still, I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me? Step in the fire, get ready to...
Way to ruin a good shot. Oh my god.
The song thoughts become action. Tell me what's happening. What's your mind wrapped in? Wrapped around, wrapped around, wrapped around. What's your mind wrapped in? Wrapped around. Psyche sabotage.
Whoa, it's too bright. Gotta lower that. One problem I'm facing right now in my room is that I don't have enough desk space. I have 3 monitors and my desktop is actually on the desk itself. So I'm gonna be going to IKEA to go get another desk. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna get though. I might get one that I already have, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Did end up getting the desk with the 4 legs. We're gonna go home and set it up now. Chicken nugget or a chicken strip? In my head, they're both the same. I don't really know the difference. I don't really have an answer for that one. I think I'd skip winter because you can't replace summer. I'm more comfortable being hot than I am being freezing cold. Let's just put it that way. Thank you for the kind comment, I'm epic. That video that I recorded yesterday actually took me a very long time to make. It was my first ever tech review that I've ever made. It was definitely a unique challenge, but I'm glad that I got it done. Am I trying to be a tech YouTuber? I'm not trying to be a tech YouTuber, but I do have a strong passion with tech. You can ask everyone that I know. They know that I love technology and gadgets and phones and laptops and all that. That's definitely gonna bleed into the types of videos that I do make. By no means am I going to be a tech YouTuber only. Yes, you're gonna see a ton of tech videos from me, but that's not gonna be the only stuff I make.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never.
For dinner, my girlfriend and I ordered some takeout wings and fries. So we ordered this from St. Louis. I don't know, is St. Louis in the States?
I don't know, is it Canadian?
I don't know. When I'm done eating though, I'm gonna give you guys a setup tour of my room. That's where all the magic happens with this YouTube channel.
First I didn't think that I was cut enough to bleed. Then I saw my secrets getting swallowed by the sea. With God as my witness, never had it so good. Jumping into love, fires into dry wood.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like down below if you guys did, and subscribe if you guys are brand new to my channel. But I'll catch all of you guys in the next video. Peace.